Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Nushu Academy. I discuss in this video a quantitative reasoning questions from GMAT official guide 2022. The question is each week a clothing salesperson receives a commission equal to 15% of the first $500 in sales. The salesman will get 15% of first $500 and 20% of all additional sales that week. That what commission would the salesperson receive on total sales for the week of $1,300? Now we can clarify the problems. That means the person get 15% from 500 and he sells total $1,300. First $500 may be reduced or it will be cut from $1,300 and rest of one is multiplied by 20%. So 1,300 minus 500, that's value is $800 and this is multiplied by 20%. And first $500 he will get 15%. We can calculate and get $75 from here and the rest of $800 of 20% from $800, that's value will be $160 and we can sum this and finally we get $235. So the answer will be option C, that's $235. Thank you very much.